So part of the process that we're gonna explore to do so is using a tool called Polis, and it's essentially you can think of it kind of like a survey that you build and you take, that you build collectively and you take individually. And so it's a mechanism to have us really both collect people's perspectives in their own words, as well as to get their take on the statements and ideas shared by others. So it's kind of like a suggestion box. And so we've had previous participants. We started off with some seed comments, but we've had previous participants that then put in their statements. So we thought we'd maybe start today with going through, if I can get the proper link shared here. And if we can pull up the website as well, or the Polis page. So I'm going to ask everybody to follow that link, and we will kind of just demonstrate on the screen share. Can you guys pull that up, Ethan, or should I do so? Oh, he's on it. Somebody's on it. Thank you. So hopefully, if you click that link I just shared in the chat, it will open a website that looks very similar to this. And it's got a little bit of a blurb overview, as well as an explanation of kind of what some prompting questions are. So we're interested in what your current use is, the strengths and weaknesses, recommendations for improvement, the roles of these systems in regulation, and really a kind of a broader visioning about what a 21st century system should address, should encompass, should entail. But we don't want you to just recreate the wheel. And so because we are later in the process, there's actually a number of statements that you can go in, and we'd like to maybe have you start there. And just, if you're an expert reader and clicker, and looks like we've got about, I think there's 70 or so statements that are live on there, and just go ahead and click, I agree, I disagree, or pass, and go through a number of them. And what we're hoping to do here is both gain your perspectives, but also to have you gain an understanding of what some of the other perspectives are that have been shared. And then we'll have a discussion about kind of what we saw, what we didn't see, and then have a process where you can go in and add your own statements. Then we'll do another round of voting, so we can weigh in on